My dearest daughter, even before you were born, I planned you with great care and so much affection. But a long time ago, from the day Adam, the first man I created, let go of my hand and wandered away. A deep gap was formed between us, a gap that you could never cross on your own. It wasn't because you did something wrong. Just like a flower blooming from a tree with damaged roots, being born as a child of Adam meant you instinctively felt distant from me. The reason a part of your heart always felt empty or lonely for no reason is because your soul was born away from its true home, my arms. But my dear daughter, I could not stand to watch you struggle in that deep despair. So, I decided to personally become the bridge of love to reach you. Since no amount of effort on your part could ever bridge the gap, I sent my son, Jesus, who is my very image, to open the way for us to be completely one again. So please, do not blame yourself. Do not feel hopeless about why the world is so broken or why you feel imperfect. Would you just run into my arms? In me, you will be made completely new. You will receive a life that never fades away. My daughter, from the very beginning of the universe until now, you have never stopped being my most precious treasure. I am always by your side. Can you hear my voice? Would you open the door of your heart just a little? I have never given up on you. I am always here, waiting at the door. Reach out and take my hand anytime. I am your God, and I will keep you safe through all your troubles. I love you with all my heart. My daughter,